Yo, what's up guys, Human Pokedex, now we're back. We're going to be doing another 10 packs of Shilling Rain, and I actually got Mail Day, guys. So I think this should be my, I got these from Cardinal Gaming. I do watch his YouTubes. This should be my booster boxes, and this should be some of my vintage stuff that I open. Let me get this thing open. These were the vintage cards. Should be some of my Rocket set. Yeah, some of the Rocket cards I need. Yeah, so I got a Kadabra, Dark Vaporeon, Dark Alakazam, Persian, Dark Machamp, Rapidash. I do have another set of these coming in. I will need to start getting the hollows that are coming in, but I'm going to open this up. Yes, sir. Whoa. Yeah, these things are pretty heavy, Jesus. Nice, Shilling Rain booster boxes, guys. Oops. Got 2, so we should do a pack opening, and I have 4 more coming from the Coliseum for my bulk. These 2 I bought. The other 4 I got for bulk. So let me get these things open. I'll be right back. Let's get straight to it, guys. Let's try to pull that gold Snorlax. Last video I pulled this one. Gold energy. Let's try to get the gold Snorlax. White code.
Oh, that's just so crazy to me because, seriously, to the human eye, the Japanese cards, especially pack fresh, modern, even vintage ones, they just look perfect.
Score Bunny, Shiplet, guys, and if you haven't liked, subscribe, please do so. Like I said, it will help the channel out, guys, but please leave a comment. Just tell me how I'm doing. If there's anything else I can do for y'all or anything I kind of want to see open, just leave a comment down below. Alright. Boom, another white code. Let's go. But can this one be a...
Let's go. Oh, that's cool. I like this little effect. I don't think
Let's be a good white code. Come on. Come on. Ah. Hey. 2 white codes. Not too bad. But just no good cards. Another white code. Let's go.
I like to help out the Omash Nation, so Jose, he wanted to submit bulk, but with CGC you have a 50 card.
I did see something in the back, so there should be at least a V card. Ooh, Blitz V. Finally, the green code.
Cards graded on my side. Boom, another 9. So I can't complain too much. I love getting my cards graded.
Another green code.
What the heck? I must have been really scrambling to get that 50 card limit.
Come on. White code.
But yeah, it's Kabu Full Art, 9.5, very cool. Surprised that some of these...
I don't think this is anything. I didn't see nothing kind of stand out in the back. Ooh, actually, hold on. Galarian Slowking. Ooh, another white card. Let's try to do this. Oh my gosh. White codes are good, but not when they're just straight hollows. We need some freaking full art. Secret rares. Zora. And the pool. I mean, I got the white codes, just not the pools. Oh, this one was kind of already open. This one's a green code.
Not bad, but yeah, I haven't been on one in a long time. Gold. We got a gold umbrella. Let's see what we get.
I forgot to show us some codes.
We've only got 1 card worse than 9.
Well, and that's it for us, guys. On to the next. I should have another 10 or later. I'll record it and put it up. And I'll see y'all next time, guys. Peace.